The first time I tried this stir-fried chicken with white rice was in a small restaurant in Scotland. This restaurant has always been next door to a supermarket that I go, but never went in. But on this particular day, my husband was home and decided to take me for lunch. We opted for this stir-fried chicken. And boy, oh boy, I can never forget the taste and how much I enjoyed this meal that day. It hit differently. It was just super delicious. I went back home determined to recreate it, of course, because the kids were not with us and they also wanted to try it. After a few tries, I came up with this version and it has come to stay. Super delicious, and I am sure you will love it. So let's get cooking. I made use of chicken thigh for this recipe and I've cut them into strips. Make use of chicken breast if that is what you prefer. I prefer chicken thighs because I find them juicier. So if you prefer chicken breast, please by all means use that. Very important step is for you to marinate this chicken. You're going to season it very well. But can I give you a piece of advice? Please, all those spices that you bought since 1984, please throw them away. Please, I'm on my knees. Please do not use them. Make sure you buy new spices if you're not the type that use spices regularly, okay? You need your spices to be nice and potent, okay? And if you're watching this video, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you. If you're new here, warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for helping this girl. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, so that we can have fun together. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. I appreciate you. So while your chicken is resting in the fridge, please keep the chicken in the fridge. Do not leave it on countertop, okay? We do not want salmonella. So you're going to go ahead to slice your vegetables. So I'm making use of all these vegetables. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be sharing with you my cooking, shall I call it obsession or passion? Anyway, whichever one, you get the gist. I love cooking. I love cooking so much so that when I'm happy, I'm cooking. When I'm sad, I'm cooking. When I'm stressed, I'm cooking. I'm always cooking. I feel restless when I'm not cooking. I don't know, is that normal or something is wrong? Let me know. Well, I've been like this forever. I just love cooking. And I think cooking for me helps me to express myself. And let me tell you a little secret. I can never follow a recipe 100%. I can never. I don't do it on purpose, but it just never happens. Why? Because a part of me has to go into that whatever I'm making. And I give you the permission. Okay? I give you the permission as well. Whenever you're cooking, do whatever suits you. We all have different taste palettes. We all have different taste requirements at different times. So whatever catches your fancy is what you should do. Don't let anyone tell you it has to be done this way. It has to be. Yes, there are techniques. Yes, there are basics. But try to make the food your own. Because it is your food, you're going to eat it at the end of the day. And it has to be appealing. And it has to be something that you enjoy. Okay, as if I'm your teacher. Well, that's a little tip. So for this recipe, I'm making use of dried mushrooms. This added a special flavor to this stir-fried chicken. I cannot overemphasize this. Dried mushrooms are super tasty. You will get them from your Asian supermarket and they keep forever. So make use of that. But in the event that you can't find dried mushrooms, then use your fresh mushrooms. So next to our sauce, so I added some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some sweet chili sauce, some cornstarch, then more seasoning, white pepper. But do not worry, everything is listed out for you. Let's start putting this together. This comes together quickly, so make sure your rice is being cooked at this point or it's already cooked and resting in the rice cooker. I started by adding some vegetable oil into my wok. You can use a big frying pan or a big pan for this. It doesn't matter. Use whatever you have to achieve what you want to achieve. But please do not use olive oil for this recipe because you're going to be cooking on very high heat and olive oil does not have a high smoking point. So your coconut oil, your vegetable oil will do a great job. So Add your onions into it, and then you're going to come in with your chicken. Make sure your pan is very hot at this point. You're going to be cooking on high heat. Spread your chicken out because you do not want it to stew. But it's as if my chicken wanted to be stewing, but I'm not going to allow that to happen. So you're going to leave it so that you can see it on the side. You can see that it's beginning to brown, which is what I wanted to achieve. You're just going to gently lift it and cook the other side as well. So just do this at your own pace. If you feel that the heat is too much, turn it down. If you feel that you don't have enough oil, add a bit more oil. Okay, just go with the flow. Don't be too uptight with it. But remember, I have the full recipe in the description box, which is a guide. If you want to follow it 100%, all well and good. That's why it's there. If you want to change things around or switch things around, by all means, please do that as well. So once you've cooked the other side, you're going to start to stir fry and continue to mix this around. Next, I came in with my sliced ginger, my sliced garlic. Those are tiny. I didn't start with them because I do not want them to burn. So you're going to continue to cook your chicken, because chicken can be very tasty, but also can be dangerous if not well cooked. So we want to make sure that our chicken is well cooked. Next, come in with your carrot and mushroom. Because my mushroom is still a bit tough, I came in with that at this point. Also my carrot is hard, so I came in with that as well. So we're going to start with the hard vegetables first, and then come in later with the softer one. OMG, voiceover I haven't done in a very long time, and this thing is stressing me. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you want me to continue doing voiceovers, or shall I just continue to be quiet and play music in the background? Let me know what you think. Okay, so after you stir fry your chicken for a little while, you're going to come in with your pepper. Add your spring onion as well if you're using that. And at this point, your chicken should be cooked through. At least I have stir fried this for a good 10 minutes, because I shall not be eating salmonella with chicken. Somebody repeat after me. Anyway, you get the gist. Make sure your chicken is thoroughly cooked before you taste it. Next, you're going to come in with that sauce that we made earlier on, and you're going to tip that over the chicken, and you're going to mix it around until the cornstarch thickens. Once that thickness has been achieved, you're going to go ahead to be serving this baby. I decided to sprinkle a bit more chilies because I love my chilies. Okay, I didn't have fresh chilies, I would have added it, but there you have it. Our chicken stir fry is ready to be enjoyed with white rice. But if you're watching your weight or your height or what have you, you may decide to feast on it on its own like this, but I enjoy having it with white rice. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and do remember that cooking is about turning simple ingredients into something extraordinary. So start small and let your kitchen become a place of magic, like my own kitchen. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.